Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about bottom grate for Southbend part number 11826557. The Southbend part number 11826557 bottom grate is a replacement part for Southbend commercial cooking equipment. This bottom grate is designed to fit into the bottom of the oven and provide a flat, even surface for cooking. The grate is made of heavy-duty stainless steel and features a raised lip around the perimeter to help contain spills. The grate also has an anti-skid surface to help prevent food from sliding off during cooking. This bottom grate is easy to install and can be used with any Southbend oven model. This part fixes the following symptoms. This bottom grate is used to replace a worn or damaged grate on Southbend commercial ovens. It helps to ensure that food is cooked evenly and prevents it from sticking to the oven floor. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by removing the existing bottom grate from the Southbend range. This can be done by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 2. Place the new bottom grate into position and secure it with the screws that were removed in step 1. 3. Once the new bottom grate is in place, check to make sure it is level and secure before using the range. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.